Hey, I'm Chris. I'm with Topo Toppers, and today I'm going to show you around our Mesa camper shell. The Mesa is our wedge style camper shell. It's constructed fully out of 1/8 inch aluminum all around, stainless steel hardware. It comes in weighing at only 230 pounds base weight. We have a number of options available for windows, these cargo side access doors that we make in-house. We also feature a number of window options on your camper shell as well. A little bit about the dimensions of the camper shell. You have a 6-foot 8-inch sleeping platform. That's the length, and the width on a full-size truck such as the Tundra is 52 inches. It tapers down to 50 inches. We have 2 sliding bed panels. You could slide them back and create kind of a bench situation inside the camper shell. You can also remove those so you can stand up and utilize the full interior of your truck bed. The canvas is a WeatherMax 80 marine grade tent canvas. The roof is a single sheet of formed aluminum. We also offer L-track options for bike racks and whatnot, or side gear storage. We offer a lighting package inside as well. Everything is designed, fabricated, and assembled out of our shop in Ventura, California. You get a 2-year warranty on the camper shell. You get a 10-year warranty on the tent canvas. And then we follow the manufacturer's warranty. We use Turn Overland windows for our window options, so you follow the manufacturer's warranty on those. Set up to deploy the tent and to break it down takes about 15 to 20 seconds. So it's a single movement on the front. And that's it. So this is our Mesa camper shell. We're really excited about it. So check us out at topotoppers.com or Topo Toppers on Instagram.